Donny Johnson, got a 1965 Chevy C10. My father bought the truck in 1968, 3 years old, in Oklahoma. And I was 7 years old. I started driving the truck when I was 16 in 1977. Drove it all through high school and college, and so I've been driving it 38 years. It's got an LS7, got the whole connected cruise, 4L70E transmission, so 505 horsepower. Got intro wheels, got 20x9s on the back, 19/8s on the front, got Netto 555 tires. The interior is done by Justin Stevens with the Kendig shop out of Salt Lake City, Utah. I get a lot of comments with the dashboard because it's got all of your 2016 technology attributes. Got cell phone slots, USB plugs, auxiliary plugs, 12 volt, 110, you name it. Yeah, it's been garage most of its life, since especially since 1977 when I took it, and moved from Oklahoma to Texas to Kansas, back to Oklahoma, and tried to keep it garaged all those years.
Yeah, the bell boxes are made up. They're put back to back. My dad was a mailman. He started with the post office in 1958 in California. So these were two 1958 boxes. I could not buy it. He bought the truck to drive to work at the post office. So it just kind of finished out the whole storyline. Well, she's got a 66 garage.
We did do a swing tailgate, which is kind of hinged on the passenger side. We rounded the bed rails, used some tailpipe, V-cut the tailpipe to give it a rounded feature into the tailgate. We've got RideTech air suspension on it.